Good afternoon. I'm Terry Scoggin, the CEO of Titus Regional Medical Center in Mount Pleasant, Texas. And today's Thursday, March 25th, 2021. Welcome to our weekly TRMC community update. Today's mainly going to be about COVID, and with things going on and the masking mandate going away, we're starting to see a little bit of an increase. And unfortunate that we're seeing it, but we are seeing it in the hospital, and we have some sick people back in the hospital. But one of the things I want to just get out there to the community today and spend the time on is vaccines. We're starting to get more and more vaccines. Now, they haven't arrived yet, but we're talking to the right people. And we've got, over the last few weeks, I think we have rang the bell loud enough and made sure we were listened to that we have vaccine coming. So we'll have a few hundred that we're giving this week, and then next week and the following week, we expect to get hundreds and thousands of more. What we need for you is to help us. We've started reaching out on our waiting list that we have stopped a few weeks ago, and we're starting to send out texts and starting to get those people lined up. If you're not on one of our waiting lists and you're 50 years or older and you have not got a call from us, we encourage you to go to our website, to titusregional.com. And on the top where it says COVID-19 vaccine waitlist, click on it. And you'll go to another page and then click on that. It says 65 and up right now, but we'll be changing that to 50 up today. Go ahead and get on it. So we're going to have people who are on that wait list. Even if you're on the one before, if you have not heard from us and you're 50 years and older, I encourage you to get on our wait list, go to titusregional.com, get on our wait list, and we'll start getting that scheduled for you. It may not be this week, but it'll be next week or the following week because we believe the allotments are starting to come. So you're going to see us increase of getting that wait list updated and trying to get the vaccine to as many people. We've been working with our teachers in Northeast Texas this week to make sure all of them have the vaccine, and we can get them as well because they're in that category as well. So if you're a teacher, regardless of age, make sure that you're talking to your administrators, and we'll get you that vaccine. So we need your help. From a numbers perspective, I said we've increased. We had a full day last week where we had no COVID patients. 3 weeks ago, 2.5 weeks ago, we had a couple hours where we had no COVID patient. But last week, we had a full 24 hours, almost 36 hours of no COVID patients. Right now, we have 3. We have 2 in our ICU and 1 on the floor. And we have people still coming in the emergency room this week who have COVID-like symptoms. So I would encourage you to be diligent, even though that the mandate's gone away and we've not talked about COVID in every breath we make. We are still battling a serious illness and a serious pandemic and a disease. So we need your help. From a numbers perspective, when you look, the region, I've watched all the hospitals the last few weeks, they've gone down and we've increased. So that's a concern. It's something that we're watching closely. And one of the reasons why we're going to be adamant over the next few weeks to increase our vaccines in this area. So again, we need your help. We need your help to start making sure we get the vaccines to the right people. So if you're 50 years and old, go to our website, get on that wait list. Even if you've been on it before, go ahead and get again. We started calling everybody who's on the wait list, 50 and older. We want to get everybody else and try and get those vaccines in everybody's hands. We will be doing something with the state this week for 65 and older at the Civic Center. That is a Pfizer, and the hospital is going to be doing something with Moderna. So over the next few weeks, you're going to see different vaccines. It may get a little confusing, and I hate that. However, it's more important for us to get the vaccines to this community. We have requested J&J, and I hope next week we get on, or this Saturday morning when I wake up early, we'll have an allotment of J&J, which is the 1 dose, and we'll get that out to the community. So again, we appreciate your help. We appreciate your support. As the numbers still continue to increase a little bit and still sit there, we need your help. Please wear your mask everywhere you go, wash your hands, social distance, and get yourself, your loved ones, your friends, and even the people you don't like, get them on our wait list so we can make sure that we get them the vaccine. Again, we appreciate your support of Titus Regional. We appreciate your support of our community. Thank you.